Here is a sample problem of how to calculate the Ka, the acid dissociation constant for a weak acid when you know the pH and the concentration of the acid. So the first thing that you should do is write down the formula for Ka. So Ka is equal to H plus, the concentration of H plus, times the concentration of the anion divided by the concentration of the acid. Alright, so then if you remember back from the yellow worksheet that we did, that pH and H plus are related. So what you can do is you can use the pH. If the pH is equal to 3.4, you can use this relationship that the H plus is equal to antilog of the negative pH. So what you can do is you can calculate H plus by taking the antilog of a negative 3.4, and that will equal roughly 4.0 times 10 to the minus 4. Alright, so now if you know H plus, if you know H plus, we know that, and we know the molarity of the acid is 0.42. The only thing that we have to do is figure out the concentration of the anion, which is easy because when an acid dissociates, the concentration of the H plus is the same as the concentration of the anion. So if you know the concentration of H plus, you know the concentration of the anion. So you just plug in the number. So Ka is going to equal the H plus concentration, which is 4.0 e to the minus 4, okay, times the anion concentration, which again is the same as the H plus, so it's just 4.0 e to the minus 4, and then you have to divide that by the concentration of the acid, which is 0.42, and that would give you Ka. So if you do the math, you should get around 3.8 e to the negative 7. And just as a last note, Ka is generally shown without units.